Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on XIAOMI 15T. Okay, this video is for people who already have their backup created. If you don't know how to create such a backup, on our channel there's a video and I'm showing you everything step by step, so if you want, you can look for it. But before we also open up our WhatsApp, let's open up the settings first, scroll down and go into Google. And make sure that in here, you are logged into the same Google account that you have selected during the backup process, because if you'll be logged into other Google account, you won't be able to restore the chats. So simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. Okay, now we can open up our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications. In here, type your phone number, then click on continue, then click on next. You also have to verify it by using code from the SMS message or missed call function. Simply pick between one of those methods, then click on continue, and if you do everything right, something like that will appear. Contacts and media, we need to click on continue, click on allow, and allow all. And now we can select restore from backup and click on continue. And now as you take a look, we have the account from which we are restoring our backup, and it's the same Google account that I was showing you in the settings. Alright, 12 messages restored. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you want. Then click on next. And now as you take a look, all of the messages including videos, photos and normal messages has been successfully restored in our WhatsApp. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.